You are not in control of your own mind. I know how that sounds, but by the end of this video, you will agree with me. Because in the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you 5 facts about human behavior backed by real psychology that explain why you do the things you do without ever realizing why. Fact number 3 will make you rethink every argument you have ever had. Fact number 5 explains why you can't let go of things you've worked hard for, even when you should. Stay until the end. Let's begin. Fact 1. You think people are watching you. They are not. Psychologists call this the spotlight effect. In a famous study, researchers made a college student wear an embarrassing t-shirt into a room full of strangers. The student was convinced everyone noticed. When asked afterward, less than half the room remembered the shirt at all. Your brain is built to believe you are the main character. Everyone else is too busy starring in their own movie to watch yours. That fear of judgment that stops you from starting something new, posting that video, asking that question, it is mostly imaginary. Nobody is watching as closely as you think. Fact 2. You don't like things because they are good. You like things because they are familiar. It is called the mere exposure effect. The more your brain sees something, the safer it feels, the more it likes it. This is true for songs you hated at first listen. This is true for people. This is even true for your own face. Here is the unsettling part. Most people prefer the mirror image of their own face because that is the version they see every day. But everyone else prefers your actual photo because that is the version they see. You are, quite literally, more familiar with a version of yourself nobody else recognizes. Fact 3. Your brain does not search for the truth. It searches for proof that you are already right. This is confirmation bias. The moment you decide something, a person is bad, an idea won't work, you are not good enough, your brain quietly starts collecting evidence to support that belief and ignoring everything that contradicts it. This is why 2 people can watch the same event and walk away with completely opposite conclusions. It is not that one of them is lying. It is that both of their brains were hunting for different proof from the very beginning. Fact 4. The more people who witness something going wrong, the less likely any single person is to help. This is the bystander effect. In emergencies, your brain quietly calculates someone else will probably do something, and so does everyone else's brain at the exact same time. The result is a room full of people all waiting for someone else to act, while nobody acts at all. This is not because people are cruel. It is because responsibility, when shared by a crowd, feels like it belongs to no one in particular. Fact 5. The one that explains almost everything else. You value things more simply because you built them yourself. This is called the IKEA Effect. A flat-pack shelf you spent 2 hours assembling feels more valuable to you than an identical shelf you bought already built, even though they are exactly the same. This is also why your own ideas feel more brilliant than someone else's identical idea. Why your own excuses feel more reasonable than someone else's excuses. Why the version of your life you have built, struggles and all, feels like it matters more than it would if it landed in your lap for free. Effort does not just create value. In your mind, effort becomes value. Fact 5. The spotlight effect, that tells you nobody is watching as closely as you fear. The mere exposure effect, that explains why familiar feels like good. Confirmation bias, quietly building your beliefs into walls. The bystander effect, hiding inside every crowd. And the IKEA Effect, the reason your struggle feels sacred. None of these make you broken. They make you human. The only difference between someone controlled by their mind and someone who controls it is knowing these patterns exist in the first place. Now you know. So tell me, which one of these 5 surprised you the most? Type it in the comments. And if your brain just got a little quieter, a little clearer, hit subscribe, because next week we go even deeper. I'll see you in the next one.